Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use a Kink Clear tube on a portable oxygen concentrator. As you can see on this one, the cannula has developed a kink right at the connection site. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our Kink Clear. The arrow is going to indicate which end to pull out the little tail. You're going to remove the tubing, place it on the opposite end of the Kink Clear, work it through, and you're going to see that the actual silicone Kink Clear is only about this big. The rest of it is the inner plastic that holds it open so you can place your tubing inside. So once you have your tubing where you want it, you're going to go ahead, hold your tubing in place, and you're just going to pull the tail. And here you have your Kink Clear in place. So as you can see, a little bit of the Kink Clear is extending out past your tubing. All you have to do, snip the excess. Your kink is gone. And you just reattach your tubing to the concentrator.